Hello, Katie here from Katie's World. I'm sharing a brand new album. This is created for a class that I will be teaching in Brentwood at Lori's Craft Shop. Please check the description below and you'll find a link to sign up for the class and for more details. So in this video, I'm just going to give you a quick walkthrough so you can see what our project looks like. So it is called Magical Moments, and I have a photo here on the front. I used some foam squares to pop this up. I actually used a few of the die cuts that come in your kit, in the class kit, and I glued them together. So these fireworks are actually separate pieces, and I show how to do that in the instructions, and as well as during the class. Of course, during the class, you will receive a full kit. Everything is pre-cut for you, and full step-by-step, full color instructions as well. So here's a look at the spine and the back. Okay, so we open it up. As you can see, the pages actually have adorable mouse ears at the top, and I have a photo mat here with a little bow on it, and that's a 4x6, and then you receive 4x5 photo mat and 4x4. Now all of the cardstock does come pre-cut. The photo mats, the inserts, all the black cardstock that comes. The white does not come in the kit. This just represents the photo, so you get a look at how it would look framed out. And I just put some cute stickers on here to show what size to crop my picture to. And I do sell the digital file to print your own stickers, and I use the Avery circle labels to do that. So you'll find the link below in the description of this video to not only sign up for the class, but also if you'd like to pick up the digital photo stickers as well. So you do get a package of embellishments in your kit, and I've used those throughout the book. Here you can put a 5x7 right there. In the pocket, I put a 4x6, 4x5, and 4x4, and you'll do front and back. Each page is constructed the same. There are 3 pages, 3 hinges that we'll create in class. As you can see, the hinge mechanism is actually shorter than the book because I allowed for the room of the adorable toppers here. And this opens up for a couple 5x5. So the largest photo in this book is 5x7. So you'll print some 5x7s and 4x6s and below. And then the back has 2 pockets, one room for 4x6 and room for 4x4. Of course, you can add a few other smaller pictures in here as well, but this is what's included in your kit. Here's a couple of 2.5 by 3.5 photos. Just wanted to add some interest, change it up a little bit. Here's a look at this one. It opens up. And I kind of constructed the layout a little different on each one, just to add interest to the pages. And then the 2 pockets in the back. And I even added one of the little embellishments here because these are all red cameras, and then I glued on a little black camera. I thought that was just kind of cute. Added some fireworks up here. And then here's the back. I ended it with the castle, and I added some fireworks and some balloons. And then best day ever in the inside back pocket. And then the photo mats here. So the inside front cover has the daytime fireworks, and the back has the nighttime fireworks. Okay, there it is. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Once again, please check the description below for your links to sign up for the class and pick up the digital photo stickers if you like that. That's perfect for gift giving if you'd like to display that as well. And what I do is I just glue on the piece of white cardstock, just a little dab of glue in the middle, and then you can carefully tear that off and they can just add their picture right there. Please follow me on Facebook and Instagram to see what projects we have coming up next. Thanks again and have a great day. Bye-bye.